Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down everyday products so you can make smart purchases. Today, we're diving into what we call the best fan cover bathroom. The white one-piece 9x9-inch bathroom exhaust fan cover by TIHCXNY. Whether you're renovating, upgrading, or simply replacing a tired old cover, this sleek and functional piece could be exactly what your bathroom needs. Let's start with its fit and compatibility. This bathroom fan cover measures exactly 9 inches by 9 inches, with a 7-inch spacing between the spring clips, making it compatible with many standard bathroom fans. Before you buy, it's a good idea to check your existing grill size, but for most homes, especially in the US, this cover is likely to fit snugly and securely. It's designed for both ceiling and wall-mounted exhaust fans, giving you flexibility in placement. Now let's talk airflow. This fan cover features a 360-degree wide air intake design. That means it draws in air uniformly from all sides, helping to eliminate stuffy humidity and bathroom odors efficiently. The unique step-down grille structure isn't just for looks, it actively promotes dispersed airflow, which can really help maintain a fresher and more balanced bathroom environment. Moving on to durability. Unlike older metal fan covers that can rust or accumulate moisture, this one is made of high-quality, eco-friendly ABS plastic. It's heat-resistant, it doesn't warp, and it handles condensation like a champ. That means less worry about mold, and more confidence in a clean, long-lasting vent cover that won't deteriorate over time. Installation couldn't be easier. It comes with built-in spring clips and even includes extra elongated springs in the package. No tools, no fuss. Just press and snap into place. You don't need to call a handyman for this job, and in under 5 minutes, you can replace your fan cover all by yourself. This is a major win for homeowners who want a quick upgrade without the hassle. Aesthetically, it's simple and clean. The classic white color blends with most ceiling shades, and the modern square design fits right into contemporary bathroom interiors. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely improves the overall visual harmony of the space. Whether you're going for minimal, modern, or traditional decor, this cover complements your setup without overpowering it. What makes this the best fan cover bathroom? It checks every box, it fits well, enhances airflow, resists heat and moisture, installs easily, and looks great. Whether you're replacing a yellowed, brittle old grill or outfitting a fresh renovation, this product delivers value, longevity, and simplicity. For a small investment, it offers a big improvement in ventilation and aesthetics. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If this sounds like the upgrade your bathroom needs, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more practical reviews. See you in the next one.